Hi, my name's Chris Woodall and I'm with MarineMax Jacksonville. Today I'm standing on a 195 Scout Sportfish. So up front here you've got an anchor locker. Everything is finished gel coat inside. It's one unique thing about Scout is everything is finished gel coat. The boat is 100% hand laid fiberglass. The deck, the hull, the lids, the hatches, the console, everything is 100% hand laid. So opening up this is a forward insulated box. You use it as fish box, storage. You've got a removable cooler and a forward seating forward of the center console. Walking aft here. So they've actually integrated a head in a 19-foot center console, which is kind of odd and unique. At the helm here, you've got plenty of room for electronics. You can fit up to a 15-inch screen. We'd have to move the stereo, but fit up to a 15-inch screen. Underneath the helm seat, you've got a huge live well. Plenty of room to put all of your bait. Removable backrest. Very, very fishable. You've got two aft jump seats. Storage underneath both. And then what I love about Scout boats is the ease and access to the bilge. So again, everything is gel coated, smooth, easy to clean, easy to maintain, very easily accessible. This particular boat is powered with a Yamaha 150. When we get the T-tops on it, we like to put the 150 on it. And that's it. Come see Chris Woodall, Beach Marine.